After 60, every movement matters. See these 5 simple exercises in action. Moves seniors do daily to strengthen their legs, boost balance, and feel more confident every day, right from your chair. Today, we're uncovering the exact moves seniors swear by for strength, mobility, and confidence, backed by science and loved by elders around the world. These exercises are small, simple, and doable, but their impact is life-changing. As we age, our bodies quietly change. Muscle mass begins to decline, bones lose density, joints stiffen, and balance can falter. Simple tasks, getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or even walking to the mailbox, can start to feel challenging. But here's the good news. Your body is still capable of remarkable transformation. Research shows that even low-impact exercises can strengthen muscles, protect joints, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls. In Japan, many elders maintain incredible health well into their 80s and 90s. Their secret? Daily, small, intentional movements that strengthen the legs, hips, and core. These exercises don't just keep them fit, they preserve independence, confidence, and joy for decades. Why focus on leg strength? Your legs are your foundation. Strong legs support your knees, hips, and spine, improve balance, and allow you to move safely. In fact, studies show that leg strength in your 60s predicts independence in later life. Even a small decline in leg strength can make everyday tasks harder. That's why the exercises we'll share today focus on the legs, but also touch your core, hips, and balance muscles. And the best part, you don't need a gym membership. A sturdy chair, a few minutes, and consistency is all you need to start feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident in your own body. Our first exercise is the chair squat. This builds strength in your thighs, hips, and glutes, the muscles that keep you upright, balanced, and ready for daily life. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or extend them forward. Slowly stand, then lower yourself back down without plopping. Repeat 10 to 15 times, resting if needed. Move slowly and mindfully. Each repetition strengthens not just your legs, but your confidence. Margaret, 67, said she couldn't climb stairs without holding onto the railing. After just 2 weeks of chair squats, she noticed she could rise from a chair without using her hands. Small exercises, big results. Next comes calf raises. Your calves stabilize your ankles, improve circulation, and help prevent falls. Stand behind a chair for support. Lift onto your tiptoes slowly. Pause, then lower. Repeat 10 to 20 times. You can do this anywhere, while brushing your teeth or waiting for your morning coffee. It's a tiny exercise with big benefits. John, 72, felt unstable walking on uneven sidewalks. After adding calf raises to his daily routine, he noticed his balance improved and he could take longer walks without worry. The next movement is seated leg extensions. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps and knees, vital for getting up from chairs and climbing stairs. Sit tall, feet flat on the ground. Extend one leg until it's straight, hold for 2 seconds, then lower it slowly. Alternate legs for 10 to 15 repetitions each. Controlled movement is better than speed. Feel each muscle working. Ruth, 68, struggled with knee pain. After 2 weeks of leg extensions, she reported easier movement and less discomfort during her daily walks. Now let's do hip marches. These improve mobility, strengthen your core, and boost balance. Sit tall with feet flat. Lift one knee toward your chest as high as comfortable. Then lower and alternate legs for 10 to 15 reps per leg. Pair this with deep breathing for better circulation. George, 75, was hesitant to walk outdoors due to hip stiffness. After incorporating hip marches, he could walk longer distances comfortably. Small daily movements made a huge difference. Finally, toe and heel taps. These strengthen the shins, calves, and improve ankle mobility, crucial for fall prevention. Sit tall with your feet flat. Lift your toes while keeping your heels down, then lift your heels while keeping your toes down. Repeat 10 to 20 times. Eleanor, 70, felt unsteady stepping off curbs. After doing toe and heel taps daily, she reported more stability and confidence walking outside. Consistency is key. Even 5 minutes a day helps. Start slow. 5 to 10 minutes daily is enough. Consistency beats intensity. Listen to your body. Pain is a warning, not a challenge. Pair movement with breathing and celebrate progress. Every rep counts. These exercises aren't just for muscles, they're for independence, confidence, and reclaiming your life. Here's why this works. These movements activate fast twitch muscle fibers, which protect against falls. Strengthening these muscles improves gait, reduces joint pain, and boosts metabolism. Research also shows staying active after 60 can reduce the risk of chronic disease, enhance bone density, and improve mood and cognitive function. And the best part, these exercises are safe, simple, and require no equipment. Let's come back to Margaret. At 67, she feared leaving her home after a fall. Walking to the mailbox felt impossible. After starting these 5 exercises, she noticed something incredible. She could stand from a chair without using her hands. Climbing stairs was easier. Walking in her neighborhood felt safe again. Margaret says, "These exercises didn't just strengthen my legs, they strengthened my spirit." Her story is proof that age is just a number, not a limit. If you're over 60 and wonder if you can still gain strength, balance, and confidence, the answer is yes. Start today. Take a few minutes. Sit, stand, lift, and march toward a stronger, more independent life. Every small movement compounds into big changes. Every step you take toward your health is a step toward freedom, joy, and vitality. You are capable, you are strong, and your best years are still ahead. Subscribe to Prime Wellness for more tips on aging well, strength, and longevity. Comment below and tell us, which exercise will you try first?